Match 15 sees second place up against third place. It's a beautiful evening here at the Gaddafi Stadium. It's about mid-20s and there's a lovely breeze once again. We are using the same pitch as we used yesterday with the double header. This is pitch number 1, pitch number Ek. We've used 5 surfaces throughout this Pakistan Junior League, and all the even numbers go this way. So we're on pitch 1, this is pitch 2, and then we go this way, pitch 3, teen, pitch 5, Panch, and then pitch 7, Sart. So you can see that we've used 5 pitches so far. So this is the 3rd time we're going to use this surface. This is the same surface that England played 2 T20s on and scored over 200 in one of the games. It is test pitch. These actual surfaces have only been relayed for 2 months, so they're playing beautifully. The average score is 137 in night games. 11 night games, 3 sides have won batting first, 8 sides have won batting second. It's a must-win game for a lot of reasons, because whoever wins the game has 2 opportunities to go through to the final. So it'll be interesting to see what they do at the toss, but I expect this to be an absolute brilliant wicket. It has been zabardast all the way through this tournament.